My name is Olivia. Sheehama is my surname. I'm from Wangwana region in Nana. I started at the Namibia Institution of Mining and Technology, that's named TUMEP. I started 2019 to 2022, early 2022. I started Electrical General. I came to Ohorongo early 2022. At Ohorongo, we're doing a couple of things, mostly maintenance. The lights, motors, breakers, doing fault finding here and there, and attending to breakdowns. This is a vacuum circuit breaker. It's vacuum to prevent sparks in times of power supply. So here we do inspections. First, when you rec out this breaker, you discharge the spring, you press here and then zero, and then you go back again just to prevent, to de-energize the spring. So we also check the terminals for the low voltage plug or connector, and then we check loose bolts. We inspect the contactors if they are still in good. We check the lubrication if the cubicle is lubricated. We check the insulators if they are damaged or they are in good conditions. We check the brushes, the motor, and everything. And then we also check this number here. It's called a counter for the lifespan of the vacuum circuit breaker. This one is just, it's like any other normal circuit breaker. It's just to switch on and off to supply power to other equipments. Just switch on if you need power, switch off in case you want to do maintenance. Been here for a year and 2 months. I enjoy working at Ohorongo. Ohorongo, there are a lot of friendly people. I made new friends. There are people who are willing to help me upgrade my industrial experience. So yeah, Ohorongo is a very nice place and I love it here. Ohorongo, I've learned a lot of new things, especially this vacuum circuit breaker that I was just telling you now. The first time I'm seeing it, it's the first time I worked on it, but now I'm telling you, I love it. But my parents are very proud because when I grew up with my father. My father was a handful person. He was always working. That's where I get the motive to and decide to go start electrical engineering, because when I grew up, I've been always checking my father, doing this and that. So yeah. What I want to tell young people, my generation, is that what's important is to follow your heart. Do what you like, do what you enjoy doing, because when I decided to take this path, there were a lot of discouragement. You are women, you cannot do it, you need to be a teacher, what? And then I decided what is important is to follow what's here, to follow what I'm passionate about. Yeah, and I believe you can do it. If you put that to your mind, positive mindset, you can do it very much. I feel welcome here, I feel at home. Yeah, and I think this is where I belong. And I hope in future, I'll become part of Ohorongo permanently. I want to say in short words, I really appreciate this opportunity. I'm very thankful and grateful. You welcomed us with open arms. You treated us your own. For the experience that you have given us. Yeah, I feel loved here, and keep on doing that other people to come ahead of me as well. I am part of the Ohorongo family.